Okay, well, hello guys, welcome to this video. Today we will be. Do you not like birds? Do you also hate birds and want to level up your um, bird killer skill? This cat is for you. So stay tuned for when I show you how to do that. Um, Here's the game, and so this is my preferred gear set for this type of task, because it's just birds. And if you don't believe that you can kill a bird with your hands, I don't make that do that task so that you can get levels. Does that make sense? Today I'm going to show you how to do the Slayer tasks where you kill birds, because that is it's very nice for leveling the Slayer task. Uh, so today I'm going to show you how to kill birds. We're going to go to. This is if a guide for you if you want to learn how to kill birds. We're going to go to here in some place called that. We're gonna go to Port Sarim, and we're right here on the map. If you haven't seen a map before, this means that this is where I am, and we have to go there. So, and this is actually very cool. It shows you a route to go there. So, I'm gonna fast forward this so you don't have to watch me go all the way over there. So, bye. So, just a quick reminder to that if you want to go to the Port Sarim and to kill the birds, which we're doing in this videos, you can teleport to Falador, and then you just go south, like this. Like you teleport here, and then you just go south, and south on the map is just down, always down. Um, so you just go south, and then you are there. I'm gonna zoom in so you can see it better. You see, this is like a bridge out into the water, and birds like water. Birds like bridges. Um, they don't have to fly all the time. Um, how do I? Okay. Okay, we're gonna go down here to here where there are birds here, and you just click on the bird like this. So you just click on it, and then you punch it, and then you click on it again, and you got a shield. This is why you have to bring the shield. You have to bring the shield, because seagulls. I don't know if you've fought the birds in before, but they can, use their little nape, their little beak thing, and they can really just hit very hard. And then you can bury these bones, and you can get a lot of XP from prayer from that. So you get 5 for every bone, but I usually don't do that because the bones weigh. Look, they weigh 0.5, and that means that I can run less. So if you do that, you can run less, and you need to think about that before you get into anything. So, thank you for watching this guide. Remember to like and subscribe, and send this to a friend if you also need to know how to kill birds. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. This has been Fisk 12. Oh, I don't know what my YouTube name is, but